In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional landing page on Getresponse. We're going to walk step by step through the entire process, from choosing a template to refining the design to getting your page ready to show up in search and go live. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional landing page that's ready to share with your audience. First, once you're logged into your Getresponse account, head over to the main menu and look for the section called Tools. From there, choose Landing Pages. This is where all your existing landing pages live and where you'll create new ones. Click on Create Landing Page, and when you're given the option, choose Use a Ready-Made Template. This saves you a lot of time because the structure, layout, and basic design are already done for you. Next, you'll see different template categories. Look for the category labeled Professional Services. These templates are designed for service-based businesses, consultants, agencies, and similar use cases. And they usually come with sections like services, benefits, and contact forms already laid out. Browse through the options, find a design that's closest to the style and layout you want, and click Use Template. When prompted, enter a name for your landing page. This name is mainly for your own organization inside Getresponse, so choose something descriptive you'll recognize later. Once that's done, click Next Step to move into the editor. Now you're in the design stage. Start by personalizing the branding. Double-click on the logo placeholder at the top of the page. This will open an option to replace it. Upload your own logo or choose a file from your existing gallery. A clear, high-quality logo immediately makes the landing page look more professional and on-brand. After that, it's important to make sure your page looks great on mobile devices. At the top of the editor, click on the mobile icon. When you see the prompt, select OK. Let's do it to let Getresponse automatically optimize the layout for smaller screens. This helps ensure that elements don't overlap and that text remains readable on phones and tablets. You can still manually adjust things later if needed, but the auto-optimization gives you a strong starting point. Once you're happy with how everything looks on both desktop and mobile views, click Next Step in the top right corner to move on. Now it's time to handle SEO and actually launch your page. Under the SEO settings section, enter a clear, descriptive page title. This is what people will see in their browser tab and what search engines use as a main signal, so make it relevant and concise. Then, add a description. This should briefly explain what your landing page is about and what visitors can expect. It helps search engines understand your page and can also appear as the snippet in search results, which can improve click-through rates. Next, you'll choose where your landing page will live on the web. You can select a Getresponse subdomain, which is the quickest option if you don't have your own domain connected yet, or you can connect and use a custom domain if you want the page to match your main website's address. Using a branded domain can help build trust with visitors, but either option will work technically. Once your SEO settings are filled in and your domain or subdomain is selected, you're ready to go live. Review your choices one more time, then click Publish. Getresponse will process the page and provide you with a live URL that you can start sharing in your ads, emails, and social media. And that's it. You've just created and launched a professional landing page on Getresponse, complete with a customized design, mobile optimization, and basic SEO settings.